Ever wonder what it looks like to rebuild your life? Um, for Millie Mackintosh, it's a funny mix of high heels and household chores. Uh, Following her split from Hugo Taylor, she's navigating single motherhood and a new chapter, and she's sharing the real unfiltered moments with the world. Millie and Hugo decided to go their separate ways in February after 7 years of marriage. Uh, they're committed to co-parenting their two daughters, Sienna and Aurelia, while each forging a new path. A clean break was the goal, and Millie has been busy building that new life, one rental house at a time. Uh, Recently, Millie posted a playful video on Instagram. It showed her taking out the bins in pajamas, quickly followed by a glamorous shot of her heading out in a stylish dress. The message, her neighbors get to see all sides of her, the real and the radiant. This honesty comes at a significant time. Uh, Millie is also celebrating 4 years of sobriety. She shared a moving post reflecting on this milestone, acknowledging the challenges and triumphs of personal growth. I know that you see the title Big Life Change is certainly resurfaced past feelings with, according to the resurface and God, and then being seeded by the organizer. Millie is learning to embrace discomfort instead of running from it. She describes a period of feeling lost, like her life had burned to the ground, but ultimately finding gratitude and hope amidst the ashes. Sobriety isn't just about abstaining from alcohol. It's about self-love, building a support system, and practicing kindness. And Millie emphasizes the importance of therapy, meditation, and mindful self-talk. She admits it's not always easy. There are still moments of self-doubt and the temptation to escape through distractions like endless scrolling, but awareness is key. And recognizing those patterns allows her to make different choices. Millie doesn't have a 5-year plan. She's not sure what the future holds. And but for the first time in a long time, she feels like she's moving out of survival mode and into something new. Uh, she's proud of the woman she's becoming. Millie and Hugo's relationship spanned 15 years with an initial connection on Made in Chelsea, followed by a reunion after her split from Professor Green. They spent months renovating a £5 million home, a project that now feels like a distant memory. She reflects on the time, energy, and late nights poured into the renovation and the joy of filling the space with personal touches. It was a labor of love and a symbol of the life they were building together. And uh, they sat to this, and now Millie is embracing the unknown, finding strength in vulnerability, and proving that rebuilding a life can be both challenging and incredibly rewarding. It's a journey filled with both glamour and garbage, and she's sharing it all with a refreshing dose of honesty. And speaking of honesty,
What do you call a glamorous bin collector?
Um, Trashy. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,